So Zomato reported its Q1 FY22 numbers. The losses of the company this time have widened both on a quarter-on-quarter basis as well as on a year-on-year basis. Quarter-on-quarter basis also, the losses have come in at, the losses right now are at 356 crores versus 134 crores in the last quarter. So surely widening of losses both on a quarter-on-quarter basis as well as a year-on-year basis. Moving on, actually, when you look at the revenues of the company, yes, we are seeing a strong growth coming in the revenue both on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Year-on-year basis, the revenues will look much higher because last time there was a lockdown of the first wave. There was a severe impact. So that is why we'll be comparing on a quarter-on-quarter basis. 844 crores is what the revenues stood at versus 692 crores, so around a 20-21% growth that we're seeing in the revenues of the company. Now, operational performance, the company has reported an EBITDA loss this time. When you look at the financial statement EBITDA loss, it's coming at 376 crores versus the loss last quarter was 153 crores. But when you look at the adjusted EBITDA losses, which the company has given in their presentation, it's 170 crores versus 120 crores. Now, there is a difference and divergence mainly on account of the non-cash ESOPs expenses, which have increased meaningfully in Q1 FY22, and so the divergence is reported profit and loss, and adjusted EBITDA will continue going forward, is what the company has highlighted. Now, other than that, the company has also mentioned that the core food delivery business in India has continued to grow despite the severe COVID wave that we saw coming in April. So Q1 was surely supported by, there was not much of impact on the delivery business, food delivery business. Other than that, yes, they did say that, the dining out business, which saw good performance in Q4 FY21, that gains have been reversed in Q1 of FY22, so that is something that we should be keeping an eye out on. Other than that, the company has highlighted that their dining revenue obviously shrunk on a quarter-on-quarter basis, leading to an increase in EBITDA losses as well. And overall, the company has reported the best ever gross order value, the highest ever gross order value, and it grew by 37% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, coming in at 4,540 crore rupees. Over and above that, the company also said that the Indian food delivery business continues to remain remains contribution positive. The company has added 310,000 active delivery has had 310,000 active delivery partners. Not added. Already the total amount is 310,000 in the month of July, while the hyper pure losses have actually expanded for the company, is what we are seeing coming in. But all in all, obviously losses have widened, highest ever GOV, surely keeping us in focus on Zomato and how is Zomato going to be performing in trade post its Q1 numbers. The maiden numbers coming in from the company online food aggregator is something that we'll keep an eye out on.